Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to unbox and review the ORICO 6656C3-C model. If you're into storage solutions or personal data management, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. I'll take you through all the details, the features, and give you my first impressions as we go. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start by seeing what's inside the box. First up, we've got the dock itself. It's a 5-bay docking station, and right off the bat, I can tell this is built with quality. It's got this sleek aluminum alloy body, which not only feels sturdy but also gives it a premium look and feel. We've got the power adapter, a 2-in-1 Type-C to Type-C or Type-A cable, and of course, an instruction manual. Now let's try it. Now, let's talk about the design a bit. The first thing you'll notice is the metal body. It's got this open design, which is perfect for heat dissipation. You're going to want that open airflow, especially if you're using multiple drives at once. Plus, it's got this beautiful gray finish that fits nicely with pretty much any setup, whether you're working at a desk or in a more professional environment. It's compact, but definitely feels heavy-duty and premium. Alright, so now let's dive into some of the standout features. First up, fast speed. This dock supports 5 gigabits per second data transfer speed, which is impressive. Whether you're transferring large files or running backups, this dock will get the job done quickly. And if you're working with large amounts of data, you'll be happy to know that it supports a maximum capacity of 100 terabytes. Yes, you heard that right, 100 terabytes. That's enough to store pretty much anything you need. One of the things I love about this dock is the ability to read multiple drives at once. That's a huge time saver if you need to access or transfer data across multiple hard drives. It's great for media professionals, or anyone working with large datasets. The best part? It's compatible with both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch SATA hard drives, as well as SSDs. So whether you're dealing with old hard drives or newer SSDs, you're covered. Now, check this out, this model comes with an offline clone function. That means you can easily clone data between 5 disks, without even needing a computer. It's perfect if you're upgrading your storage or need a backup solution. Just plug in the drives, hit the button, and it does the rest. When it comes to power, this dock is no slouch either. It's equipped with a 12V/6.5A power adapter, which is more than enough to support large hard drives without any issues. Plus, it's got a ton of safety features built in, like overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, overvoltage protection, and even overheat protection. So, no need to worry about damaging your drives while you're working with them. Another thing worth mentioning is the compatibility. It supports a wide range of systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even Android. So, no matter what platform you're using, you won't have any trouble setting this up. Alright, so to wrap it up, the ORICO 6656C3-C model is a solid external docking solution if you're looking to manage multiple hard drives or SSDs. With its fast speeds, massive capacity, clone function, and rock-solid safety features, it's definitely a tool that can handle your storage needs with ease. I've got to say, I'm really impressed with this dock so far, and I'll definitely be using it in my setup long-term. If you're interested, I'll drop a link to the product in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions about it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more unboxing and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.